The Riddler costume.
But the scene for this show really...
The Dark Knight Begins.
Folks, don't look over here to your left. Yes, folks, what they were doing was wrong. They were the bad guys in that movie. Most of the time, they're going to be from the pit. With the real fire department, they will have the Warner Brothers. Stage 16 is the tallest soundstage in North America.
This is from the movie Selena, 1997. Couple outfits that she wore in the movie. Crazy Rich Asians. This is the original outfit that Michael Jordan wore in the movie Space Jams. Space Jam is the highest grossing basketball film of all time. It is considered an important part of diversifying the animation industry due to its mixture of various art mediums. Michael Jordan filmed in a 360-degree green screen room with motion trackers surrounded by green-suited NBA players and improv actors. LeBron James. And the new movie Space Jam, The New Legacy, is filmed in 2021. This is from the movie Sinners. Costumes wore by Michael B. Jordan and others. Friends. My Fair Lady, 1964. Riddler costume. Joker costume. Oh, the Batmobile. The Dark Knight begins. Batman in 1989, Batman Forever 1995, Batman and Robin 1997, The Dark Knight 2008, Justice League 2017, and the Batman 2022. Big old Batmobile. Ooh. This is the Batmobile in 1989. Batmobile 2017, Justice League. Dark Knight Rises 2012. The Dark Knight Rises. Weapons case with weapons and bat suit. Aquaman. So what are you doing?
I'm making a love potion.
Don't you gotta stir?
Oh, it's stirring.
You want to touch the spoon? Somebody don't want to touch that? Touch the one of these touching parts. There it goes.
Did you make a wish?
Yes.
What's your wish?
I wish that you take a video. I don't know. Read it.
Read it.
Common poisons.
You made poison?